Tirchitrambalam, the ninth sutra. Welcome back to our channel. Way of understanding Pasanyana. Only matured souls pass through the four stages of hearing, reflection, getting clarification, and enjoying the bliss of Shiva successfully without any time gap. Other souls who did not get such maturity have to wait for getting the bliss of Shiva. The ninth sutra explains the way in which the soul is purified. In Tamil, the sutra goes like this. ஊனக்கண் பாசம் உணரா பதியை ஞானக் கண்ணினால் சிந்தை நாடி உராத்துணை தேர்த்த என பாசம் ஒருவர் அந்நிரலாம் பதி விதி எனும் ஐந்தெழுத்தே. Let the souls by spiritual vision discover the Lord in its own spiritual conscience. The Lord who cannot be by imperfect knowledge and sense perception when the soul abandons the world of sense. As a quickly passing mirage, the Lord becomes cool shade. It will ponder the 5 letters in manner prescribed. Dissertation. Statement. See the primary one by spiritual illumination. Reason. For though beyond speech and mind he is incomprehensible. Verse 1. When the soul inquiring whether it is vein or nerve or bone or fat or elam fails to discover what is it, it learns that there is another way to know itself. Those who do not know themselves first knowing Hara by His grace, by what other reason means can they know themselves at this time? நடியோ என்போர் நரம் தூசி கொலையோ தேடி என்னை அறியாய் தேர்ந்த வகை நாடி அரண் தன்னாரே தன்னையும் கண்டு தமைக்கான எண்ணாம் என அறிவார் என்று. This verse shows that God can be known by jnana though He cannot be known by the ordinary intelligence. Verse 2. The eye which is enabled to see cannot see itself or the soul which enables it to see. The soul which is enabled to see cannot see itself or God. God is the soul hidden like a thief. See Him there. Dissertation 2. Statement. If the reflection of the adjacent things seen in the crystal is discarded as illusionary and experimental, the real color of the crystal will be seen. In the same way, if the universe composed of matter is discarded as illusional and impermanent, the God, the permanent entity, will be seen. Reason. When colors seen in the crystal are rejected as not its real color, but the colors of the things placed in the position, that permanent color is found to be the color of the crystal alone. In the same way, when the soul rejects the universe, i.e. composed of matter as unreal and illusionary, what remains permanent in jnana. The importance of observance of Sivajnana Bodha, which is constant meditative contemplation of oneself as Shiva. Sivajnana Bodha means I am Shivam. When the soul has found his true self and when he is discarding the universe and tattvas as asat, one after another, he should practice Sivahambovana, i.e. in all his actions, in all his speech and in all his thoughts, he should consider that it is God who does everything from within himself and that he should not think of himself as separate soul apart from the grace of God. This is not the final stage in Saiva Siddhanta. This important stage is necessary to destroy the effects of the false identification of oneself with the body. The final stage is realization of the God. Dissertation 3. Statement. Now repeat the 5 letters after the manner prescribed. Reason. For although for the souls knowledge has shown 4, they tend to turn to their former ignorance like a caterpillar which has fed on neem. The 5 letters mantra represented by Si, Va, Ya, Na, Ma is also Arul and Jnana. The letters are not ordinary letters, but they represent 5 different entities. Si represents Shivam, Va denotes Arul, Ya represents soul or Pasu, Na represents Triyodhana Shakti, Ma represents Malam. I have already spoke about the 5 letters in previous sutra. You can go through that. When the soul is bondage, the grace of Shiva in the form of Triyodhana acts on the bound soul. When the soul is freed from the bondage of Anava, the same Triyodhana Shakti becomes Arul Shakti and helps the soul to conquer the vestige or Vasana of Anava Mala. The 5 letter mantra may be used by the soul at two different stages. The soul may use this mantra to get padijana. Here the mantra is used as means to padijnanam. 2. The soul after getting padijnana also uses this mantra. At this stage, the soul uses this mantra not as a mean of padijnana but also for the purpose of destroying the vasana of anamalam. If a human being is not alert, he or she may lose the whole spiritual wealth in a second. The 5-letter mantra is prescribed as means to safeguard the spiritual wealth a person has so far earned. Therefore, 5-letter mantra is necessary not only for the beginner but also the person who has attained the highest position in spiritual life. Uttering this mantra is divided into 3 types. We may utter it mentally, maunam, uttering a slow voice, madam, and uttering in normal way, oral. Mukti Panchakshara should be uttered in a way different from the above mantra, 3 ways. It should be uttered in Suddha mantra. It should be uttered by using our knowledge, practicing meditation, contemplation of Siva Hambhavana. One has to immerse in the meaning of Mukti Panchakshara uttered in the Suddha mantra manner. Shukla Panchakshara and Shukshma Panchakshara are the important ways of using this mantra. Uttering the mantra beginning with Na is Shukla Panchakshara and this is performed mainly attaining world wealth. Shukshma Panchakshara beginning with the matured soul mainly it gets spiritual way. Just like worm which had hitherto lived upon mangroves, bitter trees will have a tendency to look forwards it even if it is allowed to live upon sugarcane, a sweet plant. The soul will have a tendency to look towards Pasa with affection even after revelation of Jnana by God. To overcome this tendency, the reciting of Panchakshara is prescribed in meditation. Verse 6. If the soul knows the 5 letters that it belongs to Hara, if its heart is worshipped by him, then if in the novel it offers oblation by them, if between the eyebrows it meditates, then in the meditation God will appear and soul would become his servant. The vestige of the mala will be destroyed slowly due to the factor of reflection on the part of human being and will be very negligible when the person attained the last stage of spiritual discipline. But the vasana will be there as long as the body exists, and hence the necessity of vigilance to be observed by a human being as long as he lives in the world. At last, I think I have completed the 9th sutra. I think you have got some points through me. If you have any queries, please left in the comment section. Thank you. Be safe. Regularly wash your hands. Please put masks when you go outside. Please follow government rules. At last, thank everyone who is listening my speech. Thank you.